Quarterfinal matches, both the teams, full tight, good positions. So Kiran Kurade planning to bring this match under 30, and Sagar and team planning to have a good score so that they can fight back. Hello. So Sagar is taking a lead. Uh, And it's a tough situation. Both the team, both the captains. At one hand there is a bat, the other hand there is a ball. Kiran Kurade and Sagar, both the captains are on fire. Crucial match decides whom is going to go to semi-final. The first ball, and it's a dot ball by Kiran Kurade. Beautiful strategy, and Sagar missed the ball. Oh, that's one run. Beautifully ball by Kiran. Sagar can take only one run in this. Beautifully hit, and it's four.
Damn girl. Damn girl.
So the captain is strong on captain.
Damn girl. Damn girl.
Beautifully shot, 6-6. It's good. And umpire has given out. Batsman is gone. The Omkar is on strike, new batsman.
Damn girl.
Beautifully strike. One run. And the strike is back to Sagar now. And after the end of over, 12 run, first over, 1 wicket. Now Amol has taken second over. Oh, beautifully ball, dot ball. Beautifully ball, and Sagar very clearly taken one run. Good running between the wicket. Sagar wants to give the strike. It's properly hit, but one run. The ball from Sagar's bat is going high, not flat. Beautifully hit, and it's 4. Kiran has tried his best with his hand, legs, whatever he can put in to stop the ball. It's white ball, no ball. Extra run with no ball. Beautifully hit, and finally Sagar has given a good shot.
Damn girl.
4 run. One ball to left. One run. It's no ball. One extra more run. And Rana is getting ready on. And here, Kiran Khurade on strike. Kiran Khurade is not ready to listen to anybody. And at the end of over, 26 run. First over, 12 run. Second over, 26 run. Sagar is on strike. Rana. Oh, one run. Beautifully ball, Sagar. Looks like Shane Warne bowling to the captain of India. Oh, both the strike, best fielding, running between the wickets are good. Mirashi is not listening. Lovely. Hard luck. One run. Rana over is proving to be a good over. Every ball, single run. 4 ball, 4 run. Rana proving to be a very good, this over is proving to be a very good over. It's white ball. Rana is in a hurry. He wants to complete his over in a fast. Beautifully over. One ball left for Rana. It's 4 again. First 4, Rana has given 4 runs and last 2 balls to consequent force. 39 run at the end of 3 over. 1 wicket. 1 wicket only. Omkar is on strike. PC. Beautifully fielded. Beautifully fielded by Mirashi. Good ball, PC. Second ball. Trying to hit hard. And Tawfiq is jumping around all over in the ground. Don't know where the ball is, but he wants to stop the ball. Kiran Khurade is happy to see. Don't know what went wrong in 5 ball. Jumping all around in the network. It's hit beautifully. Jyoti. No run. Dot. The captain is happy. Asking all the. Lovely, lovely. Beautifully. 4. Sagar is not listening to it. Not ready to listen to anybody. Lovely. And that's 6. Flat 6. Beautifully, Sagar. Last to go. And 50 on scoreboard. Lovely. 1 run and no dot. Beautifully fielded by KK. Kiran Khurade doesn't want any single ball to cross his boundary. And 50 at the 51 to win. At the loss of 1 wicket. So guys, so Sagar, so 50 on the board. So how you feel now? What is the strategy for the fielding? It's a tough quarter-final match.
Yeah, we need to bowl hard because 50 is not a big score on this ground. So we need to, give our best efforts in fielding and let's hope for the best.
So good luck. Good luck, team. We can see all your team efforts to get this match back on your track. So all team back.
G minor.
ਲੰਬੋ ਟਰੱਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੇੜੀ ਸੁੱਟੀ ਹਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਗੀਤ ਦੇਸੀ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਸੁਣੇ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ
So team, one run. Kiran wants to come back again for the second, but Nitesh has stopped him. He wants to keep more and more strikes to Kiran. Beautifully hit, but one run.
ये अपन भाई लोग हैं
And
भाई लोग की तरह रहना मिलता है समझता है ना समझता है ना
really has to work very hard if they have to come back in the score. Beautifully hit and it's 6. Nitesh.
नावाला तुमच्या डिमोडाली जिथं जिथं चर्चा तुमची हो झाली नावाला तुमच्या डिमो
No ball and 4. 4 run plus 1 extra. Nitesh has given a strike to Kiran. Beautifully taken 1 run. Ball was on our left side.
जब देखा था तुझको रात भी वो याद है मुझको
Hit hard, but 1.
गिनते सो गया दिल मेरा धड़का था किसके कुछ कहा था तूने हंस के मैं उसी पर तेरा हो गया आसमानों पे जो खुदा है
1 run. Nitesh.
यही दुआ है चांद ये हर रोज मैं देखूं तेरे साथ में कुछ मोहब्बत में अंगड़ाई दिल का
23 run. 23 run. 12 ball, 28 runs to win.
कुछ ऐसा जादू किया कुछ गए हम तो पहली मुलाकात में
The ball is taken over by Captain Sagar. And this is a crucial over. This can decide the match, where it is going to go. It's
DJ, well blocked.
4 runs. Crucial over. This can decide. White ball. Beautifully ball. One run. That's Kiran is gone. Beautifully throw. And it's run out. Oh. Amar is in strike. I told you the match is not going to be a simple match. This is going to be tough. The big loss, Kiran is after loss of Kiran, it's a big loss to Firewolf. And Nitesh has hit hard, but 1 run. They settled on 1 run. Nitesh has asked stop. Security and BCP team is not giving a single chance to score a big hit runs. The score is not big. The target is not that high, but the confidence. Beautifully ball by Sagar. I can see the pressure more and more on the Firewolf team. After 3 over, the run is 31. 20 over in the last over. 20 run in last over. 6 ball, 20 run. Really want sixes here. Now the big sixes can bring the match. I don't know who will be the bowler. Sagar and teams are in security and BCP team in stress. Who can be the bowler? Now, what do you think? The ball is handed over to Omkar. The big responsibility is on Omkar. 6 ball, 20 run. Beautiful ball, 1 run. 5 ball, 19 run. Singles cannot bring the match. Nitesh is on strike. He's on fire. If he has to come in a match, he has to give some big sixes, fours. Hard hit. Single and overthrow. 2 runs. And 1 extra no ball. Extra run of no ball. Both the team is under pressure. Even Omkar, the bowler, is under pressure. Extras at this stage can bring you in dangerous situation. Five ball, 17 runs. Both the teams under pressure. Yeah, umpire. And runner-up Nitesh, runner has been arranged. I think he is tired. Beautifully hit, but 1 run and trying for the second, but not able to take it. ये भी एक्स्ट्रा क्या? अच्छा, ये भी नहीं बोलता। ये नो बॉल था क्या? And pressure is high. Nitesh, the runner of Nitesh Kiran is run out. 4 balls are left. Trying to get 2 runs. 4:14. Tough match. Every ball is crucial. 2 sixes require here to come in the match. Try to hit hard, but 1 run. Two ball, 12 run. 2 sixes required here. No, 1 ball, 11 run now. The match almost gone if Omkar try to avoid any extra. So, congratulations team. Security and BCP, you proved the score was not hard, but your strategy works well. And congratulations and well played. Sagar. Nitesh, you put good efforts. Kiran Khurade, you put efforts, but sometimes, the other teams, somebody has to win and the other has proven more better than you.
कमीना लटके लाइके